Alright, since I put on service mode, let me tumble to allow the teddy bear to balance a little better. I hope it will not loud spin. Okay, it's code for it's tumbling clockwise. Alright, now balance. Now next tumble anti-clockwise, that it will balance more. Then spin time. Let's see if it balances or not. I hope beko, please don't be loud. Okay, this is unbalanced then. It's going to be loud. It's going to be loud. No way. No way. Okay, it's spinning. Oh, shit! Oh, oh, oh. What? It's water blocking. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. It will be 2.5 minutes. No, I mean 1.5 minutes. That will spin a short spin on service mode. Oh, what the heck? This is ridiculous. Unbalanced spin. Water lock. Yeah, it's still spinning, but it's making a loud spin, probably. Yeah, it's making a loud spin. But I need to wait until it reaches 1000 RPM. We'll press start on spin only with no spin. I hope they will not do a spin break like what I did in June or maybe July. Whoa, this is so powerful! This is so powerful! Wow! So powerful! Alright, let's shut down. Let me just wait until it reaches. Not again. Why is this spin break like that? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Why is spin breaking? Oh shoot. Oh shoot, oh my god. Okay, second attempt. What the heck is wrong with you, beko? It's spin breaking. What the heck is wrong? No way. It spin breaks again for the second time. What the heck is wrong? Okay, let me try one more time. I hope they will reduce the talking and unbalanced load. They will be quieter. Oh my freaking god. That is going to be unbalanced spin. Okay, second try. I hope they will not unbalance. See? Okay, this is much better. Okay, this is much better, so without unbalance. Okay, now mini unbalance spin. I hope the one we know about. It's vibrating, but yeah. Uh-oh. What? What the heck? What the heck is doing? Oh shit, oh my god. Not again balance. Yep. This is unbalanced. It's spinning. Let it spin for long, okay? Yeah, he's making our waters really like vortex. This is so satisfying. Okay, service mode. Door is vibrating, yeah. I hope they will not spin break again in second time. Okay, 3, 2, 1, now it finishes spinning. Now we need to wait until it reaches 100 RPM, until it's going to slow down. Then I'll turn on the drain pump, ready to spin. I mean anti-grace with distribution. Now normal slowdown. Let's turn on. Way better. Now it's going to be a distribution like anti-grace. Now end of cycle. Finally! No more unbalanced spin and spin break. Finally! Now let's wait for unlock the door. Okay, this is way better. Woo! Now the bear is now cleaned. It did spin break for the second time. What the heck is wrong with you? It did a spin break for the second time. Door unlocks. Let's turn off. It's still wet. Oh my god. Smell better. Yeah, smells better. Still wet, but let me dry. Yeah, still dry. Little bit. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. So yeah, it spins in service mode. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share with friends. Bye bye guys, and see you tomorrow.